Welcome back, dear students, to the tetrahedron chemistry classes. So your today's question is this particular one, a very important multi-step convergence. In the first step, you have been given this particular aromatic compound in which the benzene is substituted with the amino and the chlorine group, and you have to react it with the NaNO2 and HCl at 0 degree centigrade, and then you will get A, and this A on reacting with the CuCN will give you the B, and B when treated with the Grignard reagent and then followed by the hydrolysis will give you the C. So you have to identify A, B and C, right? This is your first step of the reaction. You are reacting this compound with the NaNO2 and HCl. You know the NaNO2 and HCl will produce the nitrous acid HNO2. Simply you always remember this particular thing. Whenever your nitrous acid is reacting with the amino group, it will form the benzene diazonium chloride and chlorine will remain as such. So this is your benzene diazonium chloride. So this is your compound A, and this compound A when reacting with the CuCN, so this copper will combine with the chlorine, CuCl will be eliminated and nitrogen will also be eliminated from here as a gas, and cyanide will be substituted on this particular position, right? Then you will get, right, this particular one. This is your compound B, and I have written the cyanide in that manner, C triple bond N, and then you will react this B, this particular B with the Grignard reagent. You know in the Grignard reagent this the magnesium and bromide part, MgBr part is positive because Mg is 2 positive, right, and Br is 1 negative. So this whole part is positive and CH3 is negative. So what will happen, the electron pair will shift onto this particular nitrogen atom in the cyanide group, and this nitrogen will become negatively charged and carbon will become positively charged. So this methyl, it is the negative part of this particular Grignard reagent, so this will get attached to this particular carbon, it will become CH3C, and then this nitrogen which is negatively charged, this negative charge will grab MgBr and nitrogen will have MgBr here, and CH3 will add to this particular carbon atom and carbon double bond nitrogen would be there. In the last step you are doing the protic workup, right? That means you are reacting this particular compound with the dilute acid, right? And this on this particular treatment, you know this dilute acid is basically containing this species H, O and H, where OH is negative and your H is positive, right? So what will happen in that case, this MgBr will grab this OH negative and your byproduct would be Mg, OH and Br. So this will be eliminated from here. This nitrogen will also be eliminated from here as your NH3 group will convert it into the carbonyl group. So this will, you will produce this particular compound which is your compound C. So this is your C, this is your B and this is your A.